Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Sway to the 99 and in today's video I am back at Dollar Tree, so let's jump right to it and get started. Oh my god, you guys, look at these. These are so new, these are so cute. Oh my god, look, I can't. Look at these stars. Look at this comfort and joy. Look at these stars, these are so nice. I like this one as well, the little decor pick. These are really nice. This one says Noel. This one says hope. That one says joy. And look at the snowman. Well, you guys, this is so adorable with the little reindeer. You guys, these are so stinking cute. Merry Christmas, the little tree, the Nomi. This one says joy, Noel, and Mary. And then sweet hope, Noel. And then look these down here. How stinking cute are these? You guys, these are going to be such a hot find. Hope you guys find them at your local Dollar Tree. Oh my god, you guys, I am freaking out. Holy cow, holy cow. I literally just hit the jackpot. Oh my god, look at these Santa paws. Please stop here. We woof you a Merry Christmas. The little paws. I believe in Santa paws. Happy holidays. And I know we saw the little paws before. And then look at this official gift sniffer. Meowing Christmas, dear Santa. It's the dog did it. Oh, and look at these. You guys, these are so stinking cute. Holy cow. And then they have the little costumes. No way. Look at that. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I have to get this for little Maggie. We believe in Santa paws. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm literally gonna cry, it's so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I know, this is literally like a super far away Dollar Tree from me, and I was with a friend, so I was like, let's just go, and I'm so glad I came. Don't forget the dog. Oh my god. You guys, these are so, I'm literally freaking out. Like, I'm literally want to cry right now. I'm so excited. We wish you a Merry Christmas. These are so beautiful for the doggies and the kitties. Dollar Tree, you guys knocked it out of the park. So excited. I hope you guys find these at your local store. In fall / Thanksgiving hasn't happened yet, but they roll these out. Look at these. Hello Fall with the truck and the gather here. They're really nice. I have not seen these before, so hope you guys find them at your local store. Oh, and look at these as well. Gnome, sweet gnome. Definitely have not seen these before. So stinking cute. Oh my god, look at these. These are new. I haven't seen these, the little bags. I'm dreaming of a farmhouse Christmas. Horse-drawn sleighs. Merry Christmas. And I know last week I showed you these tags. And they are galvanized. How cute are these? Let's see. Reindeer Farm. And we've already seen these, all of this. So we just want to show you everything that I'm seeing. Oh, these are definitely new. I haven't seen those. And let's keep looking. Let's see over here. Alright, so definitely wanted to show these to you. These are new. I haven't seen these. These have different initials with the Santa. And then the stockings that have like that burlap material feel. And then look at these ornaments with the lettering. The little Santa hat. Oh, these are cute with the little snowflake. And then more letters, initials rather. And I'm excited about these. Look at these. Look at that. Wow, these are so nice. Super high end. I feel like these remind me of something you would see at Michael's. And they also have them in red. And more tags with the letters. And even more snowmen down here. Definitely tons of new stuff that I haven't seen before. So let's keep exploring and see what other items we can find. Okay, we definitely seen these. This one is new though. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has a very glittery vibe to it. Or not vibe, but it literally is very glittery. We've seen these. I'm still looking for the Santa, what's it, the gingerbread? No, not gingerbread. The red and white candy cane style or signs. I can't find them. Hopefully I'll find them at this location today. So, but anyway, yeah, these are, oh, these are new. Sorry, either way, I just want to show you everything that I'm seeing today. So let's keep looking. And then check out this greenery. How cute is this? This looks so realistic. A little tree filler. They even have this. This is definitely a great deal for $1.25, you guys. This is not going to last. And then look at the frosted berries. Again, great deal. So snatch these up quick. These are going to go super, super quick. I'm not kidding. Don't say I didn't warn you. And I almost missed these little glittery letters as well. These are pigs and they do have different letters as well. And then they have the hangers with the initials as well. These are nice. As for sway. Oh, look at these. Little brooch. All right, let's keep looking. All right, so guys, so I came to a second location. I don't know if I've seen this one, but definitely want to show it to you because still on the hunt for the for the style, that one that says, I can't remember the name, but I'll show it to you guys as soon as I find it. Oh, these are so cute. I'm going to be grabbing a couple of these as well. And look at this little tree skirt, little Santa. How cute is that? For the mini trees. I think they're all the same, yeah. That house thinking cute. Oh, check these out. They brought back the little soaps. These are so stinking cute. And I don't think I've ever seen the snowman. It could just be me, but I've definitely seen the other ones except the snowman. So, and I've actually bought this one before, and the soap is actually really good. It smells really good too. So I would actually highly recommend it. And look at these little baking items. How adorable are these? The baking's very bright. Look at these. How cute are they? The tiny little baking sets. And they also have the warm wishes with the gingerbread man. If you want to make a little loaf, warm wishes with the gingerbread as well. And then this one as well. How cute. Oh my god, these are going to go so fast. So hope you guys snatch these up at your local Dollar Tree. And more little containers with the gnomies, snowflakes, gingerbread man, Santa's belt. Again, tons of stuff. Mrs. Claus. I don't see a Mr. Claus. Making it spirits and bright. All those are cute for cocktails. Rather have wine on the shelf. Oh, that's funny. Cheers. Jingle juice, elf sized, ho ho ho. Oh my god, these are so cute, stinking cute, you guys. I can't. Seriously, cuteness overload. Oh my god, look at these. These are giving me classic Santa vibes. Oh, these are so stinking cute. They're the little books. And don't forget, I have tons of videos out right now, including my first ever home goods walkthrough, a new Ross Christmas walkthrough, and as well as my previous Dollar Tree walkthrough. So if you guys want to go check those out, I will link them down below. Alright, so these are definitely new. I haven't seen these before. Look at these. These are just plain wooden signs. And then they have this one, which kind of has patterns. I like that. Again, new. I haven't seen these. And they actually have more down here. Look at that. Oh, interesting. That is cool. I guess you could just hang it like that. And, or you could just do a DIY. I don't know. I would just hang it like that. All right, let's keep looking and see what other items we can find. You guys have never seen these before, the little arrows at Dollar Tree. They are made out of like wood, very light wood. But how cute is that? You get two in here for $1.25. Very nice. Literally, I just turned around and there's actually even more. I haven't seen these either. Again, these are giving me church window vibes. I know that I've seen these before, so that I remember, but these are definitely new. So very cute and very farmhousey. Oh, look at these. Speaking of new, I haven't seen these either. These are definitely new. Look at these. Oh, my camera would focus. What's going on? Oh, you guys checking out the food items? Look at this. This is the Muir Glen organic crushed tomatoes with basil. This thing is huge. This is a whole pound for $1.25 and it's organic. But I'm also excited about the organic value. They got the tomato sauce and the diced tomatoes. That I've never seen this before at Dollar Tree, so this is definitely a huge shop bag find. So hope you guys find these at a local Dollar Tree.